Hey guys, Corey Ballard. Going to walk you through an installation of the advanced chute kit on a John Deere today. This is a 61-inch 7-iron deck. A lot of the machines are the same, but we're going to show you on this as well. I've also got a video on here of an X-Mark and also a Skag as well. So really similar setup, but we're going to walk you through the installation setup here. As you can see, this mower has the Catch Pro bracket on it as well. So we're going to show you how the advanced chute can be used with the Catch Pro on most machines with maybe just a little bit of modification or adjustment on your bracket. So stay tuned. Bob's going to walk you through the steps of installation on this mower, and hopefully it'll help you out putting your machine together. Thanks, guys.
As you start here, make sure you have all your hardware that you need. It's all in the instructions. What I'm going to do first is mount the chute cover to the base. It takes one of your bolts, your spacer, put a little grease on that. Get those through there. Just like that. Put your nuts on there. Snug them down. You may have to back them off just using the gun. Gets them a little tight. Make sure you can have movement. Okay, at this point here, and you can probably see I've already drilled a couple holes. You want to set this chute up against the mower opening and make sure she's good and flat. Using one of the long washers, get above the factory brackets. We use the same washer in 3 different areas. I'll show you. I'll mount the back one and we'll line up that front one. Set her down on there and run your nut down. Snug that up a little bit. And as you can see, we're tight against it. For that front one, I'll do the same thing that I've done with the other. Set it in place. I will mark this one, move it out of the way. Go ahead and drill this last one. Put that back in line. Same thing with the center one. Okay, we're going to tighten those down. Okay, we're going to put the arm on there. Once again, we're going to use a little bit of this grease that they send with them. Just on the nylon. Slide your arm on. Another nylon washer. And your big lock nut. We'll go ahead and tighten that one down. Okay, you want to get that to where it will loosen up a little bit, make it good and snug. Now this is fairly loose. We're going to tighten this down just a little bit. Okay, at this point, you've got this 3-inch, 1/4-inch bolt. It goes in from the back side here and goes through. Several people try to go the other way and it won't fit. Put the nylon lock nut on. Make sure you run it to where the bolt is just barely sticking out. At this point, you're ready for the spring. Mount that back through there. Get good grip on it. And it's on.
Hey guys, Corey Ballard again. Now that we've got the advanced chute on this John Deere 7-iron deck, I want to show you guys a few things. First off, we've got a catch pro for this. So a lot of you guys running the advanced chute still want to run the bagger. You've got the ability to run both together, so that's going to be the same with most brands. You're going to be able to run the catch pro and the advanced chute. A lot of guys also ask about the ability to get to the handle. For some reason they say the handle's too far away. Guys, your handle's right here. So when you're running the machine, simple open, simple close, really simple. When it's open, it stays open. You're going to be mowing like that probably 90% of the time. So check it out. The advanced chute's on the Ballard website here, which you're probably already on, ballard-inc.com. Check us out on Instagram and check out our YouTube content. Thanks, guys.